Hello guys, in today's tutorial we are learning how to run a Python program. Running Python commands directly in the command line. For short commands, you can execute Python directly in the command line without writing a script. Steps: open the command prompt, cmd, enter. To start Python, inside the command prompt type Python. This is my Python version 3.12.3. Let's run a simple command. Print hello learners. The output is hello learners. To exit the Python, to close Python and return to the command prompt, we type exit. Next step, creating and running a Python script. If you need to run a program repeatedly, it is better to write a Python script and execute it. In the command prompt, we write echo print hello world. The name of file, let's say hello world.py. To run the script, we write Python hello world.py. The output is hello world. We can also create Python files using Notepad or any text editor. We open Notepad, then write print hello everyone. To save it as a Python file, we go to Files, then we click on Save As. In the Save As type, we choose All Files. Then we name it, let's say, hello everyone dot hi. Enter. To run it, we write Python hello everyone .py. The output is hello everyone. We used echo print hello world, then the name hello world.py. That creates a new Python file and writes the command into it. Print hello world. This command prints hello world to the screen, while Python hello world.py runs the Python script you just created. Exit command closes the Python interactive shell when working in REPL mode. In summary, you can run Python interactively in the command prompt. You can create a Python file directly using the echo command. Then you can write a script save it as .py, and execute it using the Python command. Running scripts is useful for larger programs or repeated tasks. Congratulations! Now you have successfully written and executed your first Python program.